Hello all. Welcome to Vision Academy, and in this video we will learn the key components and drivers of Industry 4.0. Let's get started. 4.0 is an abstract and complex term consisting of many components when looking closely into our society and current digital trends. To understand how extensive these components are, here are some contributing digital technologies as examples. Mobile devices, Internet of Things platforms, location detection technologies, advanced human-machine interfaces, authentication and fraud detection, 3D printing, smart sensors, big data analytics and advanced algorithms, multi-level customer interaction and customer profiling, augmented reality or the wearables, fog, edge and cloud computing. Mainly these technologies can be summarized into four major components, defining the term Industry 4.0 or Smart Factory, which are cyber-physical systems, Internet of Things, cloud computing, cognitive computing. With the help of cyber-physical systems that monitor physical processes, a virtual copy of the physical world can be designed. Thus, these systems have the ability of making decentralized decisions on their own, and reach a high degree of autonomy. As a result, Industry 4.0 networks a wide range of new technologies to create value. Industry 4.0 is driven by digitization and integration of vertical and horizontal value chains, digitization of product and service offerings, digital business models and customer access. The content was useful. Please subscribe to the channel to stay on top of all the upcoming videos. Thank you.